Niger Chief of Army Staff Lieutenant General Tukur Buratai don give President Buhari details on top their fight with terrorists for Niger and the future plans wey dem get as e don dey frontline with officers and soldiers dey fight Boko Haram and other criminals for over 2 months now.
The troops' morale is very high, while in the field some of them are even ready to stand between me and the bullet. They are ready to take the bullet for me. So I'm very much impressed and happy with my officers and soldiers. So far, over 1,429 of these Boko Haram terrorists have been neutralized, and we have arrested over 116 Boko Haram terrorist informants, their spies, their couriers on logistics, and their coordinators in the villages, in towns, and even in the forests. Our intelligence corps, along with the Department of State Services, and of course our good friends, the civilian JTF, have worked very hard to see that this is achieved.
President Buhari clap hand for the troop well onto the ogbonge ways where dem dey take fight terrorism for Nigeria. Lieutenant General Buratai yarn say Nigerian Army go continue to join hand with other services and security agencies to secure Nigeria and serve the people well.
As far as the operation in the Northeast, Mr. President is happy, highly elated, and this is an encouragement to me and the troops. And I urge them to maintain this high standard of operational capability, so that not only in the Northeast, other troops in the other areas are also will do the same, just like what is happening in the Northwest. The troops are determined. We are giving them the necessary support. We are reinforcing the troops in the Northwest. We are also getting more equipment for them to operate with. The overall plan is to rid the whole of the Northwest, and of course emerging threats that are coming up in other parts of the country, especially the North Central, and of course South West, Southeast, and the South. So it's a comprehensive approach to tackle any insecurity that is emerging.
Now here we see this ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today. On top say Nigeria Chief of Army Staff don give President Buhari details on top their fight with terrorists for Nigeria. Make una remember say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge informate come give una, and my name na Aisosa Osayande.